Getting started a little late, but let's go for it, huh? Let me make sure I've got the right portfolios to critique, and then we'll get going. Oh, Virus. Thanks, man. Finally back. Indeed. How you doing? 11 months. Thanks, man. All right. First portfolio. Here we go. Oh, those transitions, though. Aren't they great? Come on. Come on. Pushing. How's it going? Yes. My webcam is kind of crazy again, isn't it? The white balance is always resetting for some reason. I probably need to look into that. There we go. Okay. Thank you, Curious. I don't know how to say that name. Nawaf? Nawaf? Oh, man. Where? Hang on. I thought I was prepared. I am not. So make sure. Just make sure I've got all this stuff set up, because when you guys post your portfolios, sometimes you ask for specific feedback, and I want to make sure that I'm getting that. Portfolio queue. Oh, the wall of portfolios. Okay. Do you think my work is on par with industry standard, lower or much lower? If so, what do you suggest I improve on? Thank you for your time. Okay. So the goal is to become a 3D generalist. So in general, 3D generalist is tends to be more difficult than not, just because to be a generalist in the current industry, at least for AAA, you have to be quite good in all aspects, right? So generalist for like an indie small team can be a little easier at times, and other times not easy at all. Even more difficult, because then you have to juggle multiple things. But so let's go ahead and just take a look at this portfolio. So right now you've got a character, stylized female. I have not clicked on this prior, so I don't know. I should probably look at these closer before I jump in. Oh, I remember when you posted this on the Discord. It's a cool eye. So the other thing is, remember, I'm not a character artist, so my feedback in that regard will be pretty rough sometimes. Yeah. So we've got a gun here. We've got Bumby. What's up, man? How you doing? I don't know how I'm streaming right now. I'm quite tired. Got a mouse here. Usually in games, you're going to see a mouse like that far away. And if it's first person, maybe you'll see it like this far away. So keep that in mind. And then the substance painter, seamless painting across texture sets. So this looks like this is more of a tutorial with UDIMs. Yep, tutorial, Substance Painter, painting across texture sets. Cool. So I guess, so you are pro. I would totally put this type of stuff in your blog. And then as far as generalist goes, like, what's up, Tobias? Did my Discord ping not go out? I mean, I see it there, but it doesn't look like the here happened. I'm just gonna, I hope I'm not double pinging people. Nope. All right, cool. There we go. Okay, so as far as this portfolio goes, I'm going to say that it's not there yet. Like, I don't, so when you're a generalist, strong characters, strong props, strong weapons, generalist is really difficult, especially critique a portfolio. If you want to go generalist, I would suggest going down one route. So like props, for example, like this guy, make a handful of props like this, of this quality, and then make a handful of props that are like weapons, maybe. So then you expanded beyond like just props. Now you're props and weapons, and you've polished those two skill sets at least to a point where you feel like where they're good enough that it looks like you specialize in them at least a little bit, right? And then tackling characters, going with stylized characters. Like this one, I think, so stylized female, and then you've got the jester, work in progress. Try not to have work in progress stuff on your portfolio. And try to avoid stylized at least early on while you're expanding your ability to recreate the human anatomy. Like, I'm not a character artist, but I definitely, like, I mean, humans look at people all day, which is why, like, face to face, when you look at a character and you look at the character's face, even a character artist or a person who's not a character artist will be able to pick up on, like, something's not right, even if they're not educated to the point where they can actually figure out what their feelings are telling them. Dinar, thanks for the follow. Virus, again, thanks for the resub, man. 11 months of Prime. That is freaking dope. What's up, Cooley Willy? Hey, Sebastian, Canu, how you doing? Durzo, yeah, specializing at least a little bit before expanding to become a generalist is probably the way to go. Rubber Ducky, how you doing? Or rather, Rubber Duck. Hey, Wolves. An hour of wolves. I don't know about that. That sounds terrifying. Maybe from a distance. Sounds cool. Can't wait to hit that 12 months. It's gonna be crazy, right? Duck, thanks for the follow. So yeah, I would suggest moving this to your blog. More props, then guns, then characters. Unless you're interested in characters, then just focus on characters. Derp, what's up? Ollie, what's going on? Mobley, hello. Yes. So where I think you are at, you were asking, where I suggest, okay, so I did make the suggestions for where you should go. I think that is good for your portfolio review. I would start with either going down the character route or props route. Polish those up and then move on to another topic if you want to be going down the generalist route. And yeah. All right. I'm going to switch and then next portfolio.